Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Medilink One Health One Card. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. The innovative Medilink One Health One Card initiative presents a way to combine insurance information, medical records, and other healthcare data onto a single card, thereby streamlining healthcare access. By giving healthcare practitioners rapid and simple access to comprehensive medical information, enabling better coordinated care and lowering administrative difficulties, this seeks to improve patient care and the efficiency of healthcare delivery. Paper records and electronic health records (EHRs) represent the base of traditional healthcare data management. Paper records are ineffective and prone to errors since they are difficult to exchange, easily lost, or damaged. EHRs, electronic health records, are an improvement over paper records. However, data sharing across various systems can be difficult due to interoperability problems that frequently arise. These limitations slow down the efficient supply of healthcare, add to administrative difficulties, and could harm patient care. To overcome these limitations, the Medilink One Health One Card project improves healthcare data management and diagnosis by utilizing exception, recurrent neural networks (RNNs), long short term memory (LSTM), and convolutional neural networks (CNNs). The Medilink One Health One Card initiative is advantageous to institutions, physicians, and patients alike. Institutions experience higher efficiency, cost savings, and improved interoperability. Patients receive better access and treatment, and doctors receive timely, complete information to help them make better decisions. It is very beneficial for healthcare since it decreases cost, improves treatment, and addresses inefficiencies. In this project, we have integrated Flask for building the web application to deploy our project. Flask, a lightweight web framework for Python, is integrated to create a user-friendly interface. It handles user authentication with SQLite 3 as the database, allowing sign up and sign in. Flask enables users to upload data for analysis, routing requests to backend functions seamlessly. This integration makes the project accessible via a web browser, enhancing usability and accessibility. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are: application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebook, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project. We have built all these algorithms to compare the performance with different evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And here, the exception model outperformed the other models, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the dataset folder. In this folder, we are having the different diseases, and in each of the folder, we have the images for the respective disease. So in the brain glioma folder, we have the brain glioma images. And similarly, in each of the folder, we have the images for the respective disease. And all these images are used to train and test the models. And here, this is the sample folder, which contains the test cases, which we will use during the execution. And here, this is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. And here this is the test cases folder in which we have the test cases which we will use during the execution. And here this is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. And this is the model folder which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into the project code during runtime. This is notebook.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. This is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to store user information. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. If we are new users, we need to register first. So here we can see we are having different links: doctor sign up, doctor sign in, patient sign up, and patient sign in. First, click on patient sign up to register a new patient. So here we need to enter all these details to register a new patient. So the username is Anusha and the password. Here we need to enter the password, contact number of the patient, email ID, address, and the self description. So here the self description is cold and fever. So here I have entered all the details of the patient. Now click on register button to register a new patient. So here we can see sign up done and we can log in. Now click on patient sign in link to log in as the patient. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the patient which we have just registered. So the username is Anusha and I have entered the password. Now click on patient login to log in as the patient Anusha. So we have logged in successfully as patient Anusha. So here we can see we are having different options, that is view doctor, book appointment, view prescription, and view result. First, we need to click on logout link and now click on doctor sign up link to register a new doctor. So here we need to enter the details of the doctor. So the doctor name, username is Srinivas, password, contact number, email ID, address, and the self description for the doctor. After entering all these details, click on register button. So here we can see sign up done and we can log in as the doctor. Now click on doctor sign in to log in as the doctor. So here we need to enter the username and the password for the doctor. and then click on Doctor Login. We have logged in successfully as Dr. Srinivas. So here we can see again we are having the different options, that is view appointments, give prescription and upload image. And we even have the option of logout. First click on logout link and now click on patient sign in to register as the patient, to log in as the patient. So here the patient name is Anusha and we need to enter the password and then click on patient login. We have logged in successfully as the patient Anusha. So here we have the options, that is view doctor. Click on this view doctor link to view the doctor. So here we can see the results of the doctor. So here we can see the username, the contact number, email ID, address and the description. So the username is Srinivas. We can see the contact number and the description of the doctor is MBA and MD. Now click on patient screen link to go back to the patient screen. So here we have the option to book an appointment. So click on book appointment link. So here we need to select a doctor. So I'm selecting the doctor as Srinivas. And here we need to enter the description. So the description which I'm entering is fever and cold. And here we need to select the appointment date and time. So I'm selecting the date as 16 and the time as 20:30, which is 8:30. And now click on submit button. So here we can see appointment booking. This is the appointment booking screen and we can see appointment booked. So we have successfully booked an appointment. Now click on patient screen to go back to the patient page. So here we have the option to view the prescription. So click on view prescription link. Now click on logout link again. Now click on doctor sign in link to log in as the doctor. So here again we need to enter the username and the password of the doctor and then click on doctor login. We have logged in successfully as Dr. Srinivas and here we can see the different links, view appointments, give prescription and upload image. First click on view appointments link to view the appointments. So here we can see the appointment, that is the patient name which is Anusha, doctor name is Srinivas. Description given by the patient is fever and cold and here we can see the date of appointment which is 16 of this month at the time 8:30. Now click on doctor screen to go back to the homepage of the doctor and here we have the option to give the prescription. So click on give prescription link. So here we need to select the patient. So the patient here is Anusha and here we need to give the description for the patient. So here I'm writing the description as patient is suffering from fever and cold. And here we need to upload the prescription. So click on choose file to select the prescription. So here from the sample folder, I'm selecting the first prescription. So here we have uploaded the prescription and we have given the description. Now click on submit button. So here we can see prescription added successfully. Now click on doctor screen link to go to the homepage of the doctor. Now click on logout link. Now click on patient sign in link to log in as the patient. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the patient and then click on patient login. We have logged in successfully as the patient Anusha and here we have already viewed the doctor. Now we can click on view prescription link to view the prescription which is given by the doctor. So click on view prescription link here. So here we can see the prescription. This is the prescription which is given to the patient by the doctor and here we can see the patient name and the doctor description that is patient is suffering from fever and cold, and this is the prescription. Now click on patient screen to go back to the homepage of the patient, and here we even have the option to view the result. Now click on logout link, and now again click on doctor sign in link to log in as the doctor. Here we need to enter the username and the password of the doctor, and then click on doctor login. We have logged in successfully as the Dr. Srinivas. Now click on upload image link to upload the image. So here we need to select the patient. So the patient is Anusha. So here we need to upload the image. Click on choose file to select the image. So from the test cases, I'm selecting this image. Now click on submit button. So here we can see the result, diagnosis completed successfully, and result is fractured. So after the diagnosis, we can see the result that is fractured. So the patient is having the fracture. Now click on doctor screen link to go back to the homepage of the doctor. Now click on logout link, and now again click on patient sign in link to log in as the patient. Here we need to enter the username and the password of the patient again, and then click on patient login. We have logged in successfully as the patient, Anusha. Now click on view result link to view the result. So here we can see the patient name, which is Anusha, doctor is Srinivas, and we can see the diagnosed result, which is fractured. And here we have the image, the x-ray for the fractured bones. Now click on patient screen link to go back to the homepage of the patient. So in this way, the patient can get the prescription and the result for the diagnosis from the doctor. Now click on logout link.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.